Welcome to part 2 of Chris the T-Rex. Here we're going to finish off the body and put in the safety eyes. So as you can see, the head is taking shape. For round 13, we are going to remove our stitch marker and place our first single crochet of the round. We are back to increasing. So we are going to make a single crochet, mark that stitch, and then make another 2 single crochets. Then increase in that 4th stitch. Single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, and then increase. I'm gonna do that one more time. 3 single crochets. Then an increase. And then you are left with just 3 single crochets. And that brings you up to 18 stitches. For the next round, we are going to make our first single crochet of the round and then mark that stitch. Then we are going to do another single crochet in the next stitch, then increase in the 3rd stitch. So single crochet, increase. This is going to take us from 18 stitches up to 24 stitches. So just keep repeating this pattern until you get back to the stitch marker. For the next 5 rounds, we are going to be doing 1 single crochet in each stitch around. I'm going to do the first round with you and then I'll do the rest off camera. So for this next round here, it's just 1 single crochet in each stitch around. You're going to have 24 single crochets at the end of the round. I'm going to do the next 4 rounds off camera here, and we'll meet you back once you're at round 19, and then we will pop in our safety eyes. Your safety eyes come in your Yarny Box kit, and this is what they look like. You're going to place your eyes about there on the T-Rex and count down to round 6. Between round 6 and 7 is where we're going to be inserting the eyes. So you kind of have to fluff out the head shape with your fingers to see where the mouth is, and then pop in the eyes where you think that they'll look good, and you can kind of shape out the head with your fingers here to make sure they're in the right place. I like to put mine about 5 stitches apart, but it really depends on your personal preference. And just make sure that they are symmetrical before you put the backs on. To put the back on, you just take the plastic bit and pop it right onto the back of the eye here. Now we're going to start stuffing the head. So pull the stuffing apart a little bit and then shape out the head with your fingers. Make sure you're really shaping out the nose of the T-Rex here. That's gonna really help give it the T-Rex shape. And only stuff the head so far, don't do the body yet. For round 20, we are going to make our first single crochet of the round and then mark that stitch. Make another single crochet, and now we are going to decrease. So single crochet, and then decrease. Single crochet, then decrease. Just keep repeating this pattern until you get back to the stitch marker. You're going to have 18 stitches at the end of this round. For the next round, remove your stitch marker, place your first single crochet of the round, and then mark that stitch. Next, we are going to do a decrease. Then single crochet, and then decrease. Single crochet, then decrease. And just keep repeating this pattern until you get back to the stitch marker. And now we are going to pause and stuff the rest of the dinosaur. So grab your stuffing, pull it apart a bit, and then stuff the body. You want him to be firm, but not so stuffed that the stuffing is showing through the holes of the dinosaur. Now we're going to finish up. So this next round we are decreasing in every single stitch around. So make your first decrease and then mark that stitch. Now you're going to continue decreasing until you get back to the stitch marker. We are going to cut the yarn, leave about 10 or 12 inches for sewing or so, and then pull the yarn through the loop here. That is fastening off. And now we are going to sew the hole shut, so grab your yarn needle and thread it onto the yarn. To sew the hole shut, just insert your yarn needle in every front loop of every stitch around, and then you can pull it tight like a drawstring. Congratulations, you're all done the body of the dinosaur. In part 3, we are going to do the arms, tail, and spikes.